Hello everyone, welcome back to Enly Self-Study. In the previous video, we solved CBSE board previous year question. Today, we'll focus on magnetic effects of electric current, especially Fleming's left-hand and right-hand rule, which are guaranteed scoring questions in the board exam. I will explain them using diagrams and exam-oriented questions. A uniform magnetic field exists in the plane of paper from left to right, and it is shown in the figure. In the field, an electron and proton move as shown. The electron and proton experience forces both pointing in the plane of paper, forces both pointing out of the plane of paper, then into the plane of the paper and out of the plane of paper, and finally forces pointing opposite and along the direction of uniform magnetic field. So magnetic field is in this direction. So this is the magnetic field. And look at the direction of proton. Proton move in the upward direction and the electron is in the opposite direction. You know that the direction of current will be opposite to that of the flow of electrons. So we can say that the current will be in this direction. So we can show that over here. The middle finger shows the current. So according to Fleming's left-hand rule, the direction will be mutually perpendicular. All three are mutually perpendicular. So according to Fleming's left-hand rule, the direction of the force will be along the thumb. That is, so we can show like this. This is the force mutually perpendicular to the field, then direction of the proton, and so in both the direction you can see that the force will be into the plane of the paper. The force will be experienced into the plane of the paper. So we can look at the options given over here. The first option is forces both pointing into the plane of the paper. Again, one more question, similar question. An electron enters a magnetic field at right angle to it, as shown in the figure. The direction of the force acting on an electron will be to the right, to the left, out of the page and into the page. So magnetic field, anyways, it is from left to right. Electron, the movement of electron is downwards. So we can say that the direction of current will be opposite to that of the flow of electron. So we get the current. Now to find out the direction of the force, we can see that it will be, the direction of force will be perpendicular to these two. So that means if this is the current, magnetic field, we can show that the force will be into the page. So option D. A metal rod PQ is placed in the magnetic field. The ends of the rod are connected with the battery using wires. Where will the rod move? So you can see that the current flows from the positive to the negative terminal. So we can show the direction of current, and then the magnetic field is perpendicular to it. That is, this is the magnetic field. So what will be the direction of force, or where will the rod move? In which direction the rod move? The rod will be moving in this direction. That is, the force will be experienced perpendicular to these two, and therefore we can say that out of the field. If this video helped you understand Fleming's rule, like, share with your classmates and follow Enly Self-Study for more CBSE physics board questions.